Hey, you should totally come over right now.
Isn't there a quarantine?
My parents aren't home.
Oh, damn, really? Okay, what's your temperature?
98.7.
Not bad, not bad. Does it hurt when you swallow? Do you have a sore throat?
No.
Okay, good. Are you short of breath?
Boy, just come... just come over.
The hell was that?
Nothing, it was just a little cough.
Just a little cough, girl. You better check the floor and see if your lung came out. Sound like you damn coughed up a whole entire lung. Girl, you could have caused an earthquake with that cough. You could have caused an avalanche in damn Colorado with that cough. Girl, where are your parents?
In the hospital.
In the damn what?
The hospital.
Why?
I have coronavirus.
Huh?
Because I have the coronavirus.
What?
Are you coming?